I'm reading a book in Bloomington, my big truck book. Construction trucks. Dump truck, skid steer. Dumper, giant excavator, scraper, mini excavator, forklift, bulldozer, excavator, backhoe loader. Which truck can dig a giant hole? Giant excavator. Which truck can lift a load up high? Forklift. Farm trucks. Tractor and disc. Forage harvester. Combine harvester. Hay baler. Front loader. Tractor. Which truck has a black bucket? Front loader. How do you climb into this tall tractor? I take 3 steps up on the steps and then open the door to climb into this tall tractor. Busy town trucks. Snowplow, fuel truck, airport truck, mail truck, van, school bus, telephone line repair truck, delivery truck, pickup truck. Which truck is busy in winter? Snowplow. Which truck carries food to the grocery store? Delivery truck. Emergency trucks. Airport fire truck, brush rig, paramedic truck, fire chief's truck, police tow truck, aerial ladder truck, fire engine. Which truck comes when someone is hurt? Paramedic truck. Which truck can rescue people in a high building? Aerial ladder truck. Big trucks. Big rig, car transporter, garbage truck, fuel tanker, tipper truck, freight truck, concrete mixer truck. Which truck takes away your trash? Garbage truck. Which truck mixes concrete? Concrete mixer truck. The end. Yay!